अगर आप एक लंबी और सार्थक ज़िंदगी जीना चाहते हैं तो ज़रूरी है अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक टाइम। कोविड-19 पेंडेमिक जिसकी शुरुआत हुई थी दिसंबर 2019, इट हैज़ रेडिकली चेंज आवर लाइफ, द वे वी वर्क, द वे वी लर्न एंड द वे वी सोशली इंटरेक्ट। Maintaining social distance, wearing a mask, sanitizing your hand is become a part of our life. Fear, anxiety, and stress has permeated all aspects of our life. This presents a unique challenge to us. और अब पहले से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो गया है अच्छे स्वास्थ्य का होना और उसके लिए एक स्वस्थ जीवन शैली अपनाना। Hello, I am Dr. Urmila, working at OIC Dispensary, Anushakti Bhavan, and today I want to talk to you about health and wellness during COVID pandemic. जब हम हेल्थ की बात करते हैं तो हेल्थ क्या है? अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO, आपकी शारीरिक, मानसिक और सोशली, इफ़ यू आर वेल एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी डिजीज़ और इन्फर्मिटी, तो आप हेल्दी है। और इस हेल्थ को अचीव करने के लिए आपको वेलनेस की ज़रूरत है, जो मिलती है बाय फॉलोइंग हेल्दी हैबिट्स। तो ये हेल्दी हैबिट्स क्या हैं? फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड एक्सरसाइज, आपका हेल्दी बॉडी वेट मेंटेन करना, टू हैव अ गुड डाइट एंड एडिक्वेट स्लीप, गुड मेंटल हेल्थ एंड अवॉइड स्मोकिंग एंड चूइंग टबैको। जब फिज़िकल फिटनेस की बात करते हैं तो क्यों ज़रूरी है फिज़िकल फिटनेस एंड एक्सरसाइजेस? तो एक्सरसाइज आपका वेट कंट्रोल करता है, एक्सरसाइज आपकी मसल स्ट्रेंथ को इम्प्रूव करता है, अलॉन्ग विथ मसल स्ट्रेंथ बोन स्ट्रेंथ। बोन मतलब जब एज के हिसाब से ऑस्टियोपोनिया, ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस जैसी तकलीफ होने लगती है, तो अगर आप रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो ये बीमारी कम होती है ऑस्टियोपोनिया की। आपकी जो काम करने की क्षमता है वह बढ़ाता है। इट इंक्रीजेस योर HDL, दैट इज गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल। इट डिक्रीजेस योर LDL एंड टोटल कोलेस्ट्रॉल। इट इम्प्रूव्स योर इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी। सो इन सब के कारण आपको हार्ट डिजीज, डायबिटीज और हाइपरटेंशन जैसी बीमारी कम होती है। एक्सरसाइज रिलीजेस एंडोर्फिन। एंडोर्फिन क्या है? मूड इम्प्रूविंग हार्मोन। सो इट इम्प्रूव्स योर मूड। It releases serotonin and epinephrine जैसे हार्मोन which boost आपकी मेमोरी और थिंकिंग स्किल को। It reduces stress हार्मोन, तो इसके कारण आप रिलैक्स रहते हैं और आपकी स्लीप क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव होती है। With good control of weight, with good बैलेंस, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, आपकी बोन हेल्थ और मसल हेल्थ अच्छी है। ऑल दिस इम्प्रूव्स योर सेल्फ एस्टीम। ज़िंदगी में प्रॉब्लम सबको होती है और उतार चढ़ाव ज़िंदगी में आते रहते हैं, पर जो उनको फेस करने की जो रेजिलियंस होती है दैट इम्प्रूव्स विथ एक्सरसाइज। मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि एक्सरसाइज एनी एज is important with any ability which you have at present. It's important to do regular exercise. आप किरण देवी को देखिए, शी इज़ 87 ईयर ओल्ड, ये चेन्नई की रेजिडेंट है। जब लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ तो वो मेंटली और फिजिकली शी वॉज नॉट इन गुड प्लेस। शी वॉज डिप्रेस, शी वॉज एंशियस बिकॉज ऑफ द सोशल आइसोलेशन। शी कुडंट गेट अप फ्रॉम हर सिटिंग पोजिशन विदाउट सपोर्ट। एक रूम से दूसरे रूम में जाने में उनकी सांस फूलने लगती थी और उन्हें लगा कि अब मेरा समय आ गया है। उनके ग्रैंडसन जो जिम में काम करते हैं, उन्होंने उनके साथ बात की और उन्हें कन्विंस किया एक्सरसाइज पे जाने के लिए। अब किरण देवी 3 टाइम्स अ वीक रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करती है। आप देखेंगे वो वेट ट्रेनिंग कर रही है। शी यूजेस रेजिस्टेंस बैंड, शी यूजेस योगा एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एक्सरसाइज। एंड नाउ after doing regular exercise, her mental health is improved and she is more happy because she doesn't need anybody's help. She can get up from sitting position without any support. She can walk around the house, take 5 to 6 rounds without feeling any breathlessness, and she's become a motivator for other people and advising them to do the regular exercise. Mr. Tripat Singh, he is 73 year old. जब 64 ईयर ओल्ड में उन्होंने उनके फादर को with the hospitalization and diabetes के साथ struggle करते हुए देखा, and he realized he will be leading the same life if he doesn't take better care now, and he started exercising regularly. Now he is a brand ambassador for his gym in Chandigarh. He is regularly exercising in gym and he is in very good health. Mr. Fauza Singh, he is 110-year-old and still active. At 90 years of age, he did London Marathon in 6 hours time. He has won various awards in his age category in last 20 years. So age is no bar. There is no excuse for you of not doing exercises. Now with pandemic, we are staying more and more at home. We are sitting for a much longer time. So it's become more important for us to be active and follow the routine. Remember, people of all ages and ability needs to be physically active. अब ये एक्सरसाइज क्या है? जैसे हम एक ही तरह का खाना नहीं खाते हैं. We need a variety. Similarly, for exercise also, we need to do different kind of exercise and make a mix and match. First comes aerobic activity or cardio exercises. As the name suggests, इससे आपकी हार्ट, लंग और सर्कुलेशन इम्प्रूव होता है. According to WHO, adolescent and children at least 60 minutes of activity per day करनी चाहिए, and for adults 150 minutes a week, जो अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो 30 minutes for 5 days in a week. और ये एरोबिक एक्टिविटीज़ क्या है? आपकी रनिंग, साइकिलिंग, स्विमिंग, डांसिंग, all this comes in the aerobic exercise. You can play with your kids in running game or you can climb the steps also. Next comes the strength training. At least 2 days a week आपको strength training करनी है because it improves our muscle health, it improves the muscle mass and prevents the bone to go through osteoporosis and osteopenia. So it improves our bone and muscle health. Strength training दो तरह से हो सकती है. एक आपके खुद के बॉडी वेट से आप स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं और यू कैन यूज द वेट्स, स्क्वाट, लंजेस, प्लैंक, ब्रिज. इन योगासना, पुल अप, पुश अप, इन योगासना वी हैव वेरियस आसनास विच कैन बी डन फॉर स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. यू डोंट नीड टू गो टू जिम, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. अगर आप घर पे हैं एंड यू डोंट हैव वेट्स, यू कैन यूज, बी इनोवेटिव, यूज अ वाटर बॉटल फिल्ड विथ वाटर or filled with sand and use them as a weight. आपको balancing exercise जैसे tai chi, in yoga we have lot of balancing exercise, standing on toe, standing on one leg, sitting, say standing position. All these balancing exercises are important because आपका balance improve रहेगा तो you can prevent fall, which is very common in old age. After all this exercise, chances of you getting injury is there if you don't stretch. So stretching is a part of your, should be part of your routine. Now, this is exercise that you will do 30 to 45 minutes a day. But keeping active throughout the day is also equally important. Keeping active will help your body, mind and spirit. कैसे एक्टिव रह सकते हैं? बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि अभी पेंडेमिक है, बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं, वी हैव स्टॉप वॉकिंग, वी हैव स्टॉप डूइंग आवर एक्सरसाइज रूटीन. There are a lot of exercises which we can do at home. I'll just give you an example. जैसे सूर्य नमस्कार, अगर आप 10 मिनट रेगुलर सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं, it is a good aerobic activity plus because you are weight bearing, so it is a good muscle exercise also, and you burn 139 calories and strengthen your back and muscles. Similarly, there are various yogasanas which can be done at home, which open up your muscle and your tendons. Pranayam, breathing, meditation, all can be done at home and it helps to relax our mind and body. Now with the advancement in digital media and everything is happening on the digital platform, we have a lot of online classes for exercise, for yoga, for meditation. Follow those online classes and learn the proper way how to do the exercises. Now with the work from home, we are sitting constantly. There is no travel time, there is no lunch time separately. We are sitting on our desk, sitting at home continuously, which is not good. So Try to take break in between, maybe every hour or so. Put an alarm or something where you take a break for 2 minutes, get up from your seat, stretch your body. When you're sitting also, see your posture, your shoulders are back, down, and you're not putting your back and straining the neck muscles. Keep yourself active. If you're taking some things from grocery store, instead of using your vehicle or taking out your two-wheeler, go take a walk, bring the grocery. Instead of lift, use the steps. All this way we can try to keep ourselves active throughout the day. Also, if you can't take out that 30 to 45 minutes a day for your exercise, I tell, because with the help of smartwatch or the mobile phone which count your steps, try to do at least 8 to 10,000 steps per day. आपके जो leisure time में है, instead of sitting and watching those news reels again and again or some program, you use that time to read some good book, play some board game which will help, which will be your family time with your child also. Solve some puzzle which will stimulate your mind. Dancing, gardening, cleaning, all these are the other form of activity which we can do throughout the day to keep ourselves active. Now comes the nutrition. In Ayurveda there is a proverb, अगर आपकी diet wrong है then medicine is of no use, और अगर आपकी diet right है तो medicine is of no need. Eating a well balanced diet and good hydration is vital for our immunity. Well balanced diet से मेरा मतलब है, it should include fresh fruits, vegetable, grains, all your dry fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, pulses. If you are non-vegetarian, then meat, chicken, fish, egg. So mixture of all this is a well balanced diet. And unprocessed से मतलब is freshly cooked, no packaged, no artificial preservative, is important for us to get our nutrients, minerals and all our vitamins and fiber. Then comes eating a healthy breakfast. Now in hurry or because of lack of time or because of laziness, people are eating a lot of packaged food, cornflakes and muesli, which is all ready to eat food kind of thing. Why do we do that? In India, we have such a good options of breakfast. I'll give you a few examples. Moong dal chila, besan chila, then idli sambar, or you can make a multigrain paratha with the curd, upma, dalia. There are so many good options which we can choose for the breakfast, which are much more nutritionally balanced food. In between, you feel hungry and you grab for that samosa or some fried snacks or some biscuit. You rather eat some roasted makhana, some rajgira or til laddu, some fresh fruit. Pick up one fresh fruit at that time, or pick up some salad vegetable with dip. Again, steaming, grilling and sauteing is instead of frying the food. Processed food, packaged food, food with artificial preservative and bakery product which is made with maida and vanaspati should be avoided. And why I am saying that? Because उसमें होता है trans fat. और trans fat क्या करता है? तो trans fat increases your LDL cholesterol, जिसके कारण आपको heart disease हो सकता है. ये आपका insulin resistance बढ़ाता है, जिसके वजह से डायबिटीज़ होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. और ओवरऑल जो बॉडी में इन्फ्लामेशन है increases because of the trans fat. So we should completely avoid this kind of food. Limiting our sugar and salt is also important. Now comes oil. जब cooking oil की बात करते हैं तो it's better कि you keep changing your oil regularly. For years and years, don't use the same oil. Sometimes you use rice bran, sometimes peanut oil, sometimes safflower, sometimes mustard oil. So change your oil regularly. और क्वांटिटी की बात करें तो हाफ अ लीटर ऑफ ऑयल पर एडल्ट पर फैमिली. तो अगर आप फैमिली ऑफ 4 हैं तो 2 लीटर ऑफ oil should be used for a month. Along with eating a balanced diet, it's important the portion of the food which you eat. the portion is also equally important and the interval which you eat. Now, if you look at this plate, you will see this plate has half of its plate is filled with the vegetable. 1/4 is has grains, which is your roti, your rice or bread, and 1/4 is your legume, pulses or non-veg food. Quality of food and quantity of food both is important. Be mindful about your eating. आप टीवी देखते जा रहे हैं, खाते जा रहे हैं, आपको पता नहीं कि आप क्या खा रहे हैं. So be little mindful, concentrate on your food, taste the food, and when you do this mindfulness while eating, your stomach will give signal to the brain you are full, and you can avoid overeating. I'll tell you with guarantee, if you are eating a balanced diet and you are doing a regular exercise, you don't need any extra supplement and vitamins. This immunity booster, now I tell you, every third person will come to me and ask for give me some vitamin C or give me some zinc or give me some multivitamin because I want to boost your immunity. There are a lot of kadhas and a lot of potlis which have come to boost the immunity. The only booster which has happened is to the market which is supplying these supplements. They have boosted their margin. It has not boosted our immunity at all. Why do you want to take this kind of extra supplements? Overusing of this is more harmful for our health because all these supplements are available in our food. If I give you example, vitamin C is available in almost all the foods which you eat, all the fresh fruits, all the vegetables, citrus fruit, papaya, capsicum, cabbage, broccoli has good amount of vitamin C. Vitamin D is available in egg yolk, seafood, fish, fortified milk, sunlight, and zinc is available in your dry fruits, your seeds, your legumes, and your meat. If you take this balanced diet, you don't need any immunity booster supplements. So avoid taking extra supplements without your doctor's consultation. If doctor feels you have a deficiency or you are suffering from severe disease, they will provide those supplements. Don't self-medicate. Everybody had some kind of stress or anxiety, but this pandemic has increased our stress level to the new high. कहीं गुना ज़्यादा हमारी स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी बढ़ गई है. स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी बढ़ने का कारण नॉट ओनली वायरस ने तो कोविड ने तो बढ़ा ही है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक रिस्ट्रिक्शंस जैसे वर्क फ्रॉम होम, नो सोशल इंटरेक्शन विथ योर फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स और कलीग्स, बच्चे घर पे बैठे हैं, उनकी स्कूलिंग घर से हो रही है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल अनफॉर्चुनेटली हैव लॉस्ट जॉब ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम. Financial instability, all this is causing lot of stress and anxiety. People have lost their loved one, which has caused lot of fear in their mind. So all this has made us mentally unhealthy. So we have to keep ourselves mentally healthy. और वो कैसे कर सकते हैं? आपको कोई भी stress, anxiety, stress है, try to talk about those feelings. Don't let it fester inside your mind. When you speak to your friend, family, or if required professionally with the psychiatrist and psychologist, and heal yourself and reduce your anxiety. Staying connected with your loved ones on various social media platforms. You can keep connected, talk to them regularly, video chat, and let them know you are there for them and you love them. If family is staying together, spend some quality time with them. Have some family time where you can interact and mingle with each other. COVID-19 updates जो 24/7 from media, from WhatsApp, from other social platform, we are taking those updates so frequently कि it's not good. So try to limit that COVID-19 update. क्योंकि इसमें rumors, speculation, we don't know. It has to be a reliable source of information from where you are taking. Rumors, speculation, it increases our anxiety. It also important कि आपकी कोई hobby है. Read a good book, gardening, listening to music, playing some instrument, playing with your pet, any hobby. Enjoy and relax, because when you follow the hobby, you can relax yourself and have some peace time with yourself. Deep breathing and meditation to calm and relax. Online, we have a lot of meditation exercises and mindful awareness sessions help us to create less of loneliness and more peaceful and relaxed mind. With working from home, managing your kids' school from home, again office work, all this has put a lot of pressure. So good organization skills, time management and open communication will help to balance the work life balance and give us a mental peace. Last but not the least, try to have a stable financial position. Not only your current obligation, which is day to day expenses, but your future obligations like wedding or son's education or your retirement plan or house, any obligations. If you have a good financial plan, so that you can relax mentally and feel happy and enjoy your life. So, financial well being is also equally important. Kids are getting stressed, they are staying at home, their extracurricular activities stop, their interaction with their friends have stopped, their playtime is gone. So, all this and listening to those news, listening to us talking about COVID-19 has caused stress in them also. Sit down with your children, explain the facts to them, and understand their feeling. Spend some quality time with them. Kids need a structure and routine, so give them that so that they can cope it better. Singing, dancing, painting, having some hobby classes, all this creativity will help them to reduce the stress. If they're missing their cousins or their friends or their grandparents, connect to them over social media and let them chat with them. Have a video chat so that they can see their friends and have an interaction. Children also need all the good habits, all the healthy habits which I spoke for adults. Now comes sleep. Sleep boosts our immune system. Sleep reduces the inflammation in our body. Mind और body को restore करने के लिए we need at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Now to get a good sleep, we need a good sleep hygiene. And what do I mean by good sleep hygiene? So having a daily fixed schedule for sleep, like weekday आप सो रहे हैं फिक्स 10 बजे, weekend पे late nights, this disturbs our body's sleep rhythm. So try to keep a same schedule. Electronic devices, TV or mobile, everything switch off 1 hour before your sleeping time. Reduce the noise and sound in the sleeping area. Avoid caffeine, smoke, alcohol kind of stimulating substances before sleeping time. So all this will help us to get a good sleep. Now all this I spoke about is not only specific for COVID-19 pandemic. These are the healthy lifestyle which you have to maintain right now, and also it should become a part of your life which has to be maintained throughout your life to have a good health. Let's talk about how to slow the spread of COVID-19. Now everybody knows, but I'll just reiterate. Wearing a mask which covers the face, mouth area to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Stay 6 feet apart, keeping a distance of 6 feet between others. Now, so many vaccines have come in the market. So, waiting for that particular vaccine, when that vaccine will come, I'll take the vaccine, is not appropriate. Whatever vaccine is available at present, please take that vaccine and give to whoever is eligible in your family. It's not necessary to attend all your social gathering and functions in this pandemic time. Avoid crowded and poorly ventilated indoor spaces. Avoid unnecessary travel. Washing your hand with soap and water and sanitization are also essential. If you are wearing a mask, a cloth mask, make sure at least it is two layer and made up of breathable material, and covering and having a nose pin so the air doesn't escape from up, and covering your side properly. Avoid mask with the valve. This is not the way you should be wearing the mask. We see a lot of people wearing the mask where on the face or on the side. This is not the way you should be wearing the mask. In this hour of need, all of us must do our bit to combat this pandemic. Keeping ourselves healthy physically and mentally is our moral responsibility. So we have to follow the healthy lifestyle choices. Following all the protocol which government has put in place to control the pandemic, also it is not only central to our wellness but also contributes significantly to our nation and our world to fight this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you.